How to change the language in Google Earth Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in Google Earth Pro to match your preferences or region. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that your Google Earth Pro is installed and running on your computer. And now here, once you are inside the Google Earth Pro, at the top menu bar, you can just click on Tools. And after that, you can simply select Options from the drop down menu, and this will open the settings window. And now here in the option windows, you can just click on General tab and look for the language settings section. And now here click on the drop down next to language, and here you'll see the list of available languages, and from this language you just have to select desired language. And once you're done selecting the language, just click on apply, and then just click on OK to save your changes. And with that, you just need to restart Google Earth Pro if needed, and after that your interface should now appear in the language that you have selected. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.